Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we are out by Long Mountain. This is close to Mona. So we're gonna take a look at some areas out this side. Alright, so behind this sign, which we're gonna send up the drone. I did a video here before I had the drone about 3 years ago. So this was supposed to be a well talked about big development, Long Mountain. But I came here just now to get an update, but all I'm seeing is where they have put in road, you know, electrical poles and probably drainage as well. So based on this, it's supposed to be around 50 lots, right, over this side on the mountain side. But right now I'm not seeing any development, so probably they're still working on titles and, you know, the paperwork. So that's what's happening here, but we're still gonna set up the drone. I'm gonna do a quick pass around the area where the roads were cut. Up the hill as well is a townhouse complex up by Long Mountain, and then behind me is the Pines of Karachi Drive. So a lot of nice homes are up this side as well, which is close to the Mona Dam, close to Mona Heights, close to Uwe and that side. So I'll capture some of the nice homes on the hill, a lot of townhouse as well. Karachi, that's the name of the area, Pines of Karachi. Alright, so I'll capture as much as I can with the drone, and I've never covered the Mona Dam before, so I'll fly as low to the Mona Dam as I can. So I'll give you guys some shots of that. The dam is literally just over here. Right, so it's close by. So I'll set up the drone first to capture the Long Mountain area. I'll go up as far as I can to see if I can reach up the townhouse community, and then I'll capture some of the nice homes up this side and also the Mona Dam. So you guys stay tuned. Just a quick video, because I thought, you know, more development would have been in this area. I thought probably home construction would have started, but you know, none of that has yet. But who knows, probably in a little bit. I guess they wanted to do the infrastructure work first, which is now complete, but let's see. Alright guys, so let's send up the drone, get some aerial shots, and it's another video. Remember to like, guys, remember to comment. I know a lot of you guys watch the videos and don't comment as well. Remember to comment, and remember to subscribe. That's the cheapest way to support the channel, because subscribing is free. So let's get some drone shots.